What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm the Vigorous Shooter, and today I will show you guys how to find your audio waveform. Okay, so missing audio waveforms is something that's pretty common, especially if you're new in DaVinci Resolve and you're going around clicking everywhere and not remembering where you click or what you click. I'm currently using DaVinci Resolve 16.2, just to let you know what version I'm on. Based on my experience, there's 3 ways, and I kind of figured it out by now, and I'm going to share with you guys how to figure it out yourselves. So with the first method, it's the easiest method. It's to basically go down into your edit tab or in your edit menu, and you're going to locate this part right here. All right, this little portion right here. It's a little tab. Just click on that and this little menu will pop up. And now what will happen is it will show you your timeline view options. All right, now you want to click on the tab all the way to the right. This bad boy right here, slam it, boom, and that will show you your audio waveform. And now there's different options down here for your audio view options. What you could do is you could basically center your left and right. As you can see, it just did that. And you could have it go full from top to bottom, and that will give you a better readout by clicking this button right here, right? And the third one, what it does is basically give you borders on your waveline. It just makes them a little bit more defined so you could actually see your audio waveform. And that's the first method. Now the second method, it's controversial, but you know what? It worked. And it worked multiple times. So it's basically starting a new timeline by going to File, New Timeline, and let's name this new timeline What's up? All right. So now we have our new timeline, and we're going to select our clip again, okay? And dragging it onto our timeline. And bada bing, bada boom. This should solve your problem. Now that's method number 2. Method number 3. Now it's tried and true. I've done it a couple times, and it actually worked. So whenever you're using like a big file, so let's just say you're using a 4K or a 6K file, and let's just say it's like ProRes 422HQ or whatnot, all these high codecs within it, what's going to happen is it's going to take time for the software to actually load up the information. So literally all you have to do is just chillax. Wait about 5 minutes or 2 minutes and you'll be all right. And honestly, using those 3 methods have worked for me in the past and continuously been working till now. I hope you guys get some luck on your end. And if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment below and I will get back to you guys about it and help you guys as best as I can. Thank you guys for watching this video, and blast that like button if you found it helpful, and subscribe to this channel if you're new. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Deuces.